So just a quick question about comparison between, the between programming in general and the way programming is done via machine learning. So what do you think is the difference between conventional programming and machine learning fundamentally?
Do you mean in terms like conceptually or?
Yeah, conceptually. So given a problem, uh, what are the aspects of it that given a problem, how do you approach it uh, from a conventional programming standpoint and from a machine learning standpoint? Because in machine learning, you don't you just feed lots of data, lots of input and output, and try to derive a relation between it. And so what in your view is the difference between machine learning and conventional programming?
Well, so I think with conventional programming, if I understand the question right, it's more of a deterministic solution to a problem. So mm, yeah, you have to formalize everything and develop an algorithm to solve the problem.
Yeah.
And the cool thing about machine learning is that you're learning from experience, sort of. And I think in many cases you can achieve much better performance through a machine learning algorithm than through a deterministic algorithm. Which is also, I think it comes with some risks as well. If you look at recommender systems, which is kind of it's a very popular approach for machine learning, and yeah, or a popular problem actually. Like if you had to hard code this would be nearly impossible. But it's also,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, you have to consider a lot of things when you only let the algorithm learn from data.
yeah. So I think that's like really precisely put. So the difference would come at the deterministic nature of the conventional programming. So you have to write a set of rules, but machine learning figures out those sets of rules on its own.